Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in innovative products. Today, we're diving into the world of renewable energy with a focus on outdoor enthusiasts. We're talking about the best 6-volt rechargeable battery for deer feeders available in the market. Let's jump right in. Now, if you're like me and enjoy the great outdoors, you know the importance of keeping your equipment powered up, especially when it comes to deer feeders. That's where this little gem comes into play, the solar panel for deer feeder by Shumi. What sets this solar panel apart is its efficiency. Harnessing the power of sunlight, it converts it into electrical energy to keep your 6-volt rechargeable batteries juiced up and ready to go. Plus, with its high-efficiency polycrystalline panel, you can count on faster charging times, ensuring your feeder never runs out of power when it's needed most. But wait, there's more. The adjustable bracket feature allows you to optimize sunlight absorption by angling the panel just right. Whether you're in a densely wooded area or out in the open field, you can customize the angle for maximum efficiency. Now, let's talk durability. This solar panel is built tough to withstand the elements. With its anti-corrosion metal bracket and IP44 waterproof rating, you can trust that it'll hold up against rain, snow, and whatever else Mother Nature throws its way. So go ahead, leave it out in the wild without worry. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the included mounting hardware. With just a few screws, you can securely attach it to your feeder, camper, or any other outdoor equipment requiring a 6-volt rechargeable battery. So there you have it, folks. The ultimate solution for keeping your deer feeder powered up and ready for action. With its efficiency, durability, and easy installation, the solar panel for deer feeder by Shumi is a game-changer for outdoor enthusiasts everywhere. Don't let your feeder run dry, invest in the best. Click the link in the description below to get your hands on the solar panel for deer feeder by Shumi today. And as always, stay tuned to Product Critique for more reviews on the latest products hitting the market. Thanks for watching.